In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are public link chats in ChatGPT. Public link chats are a simple way to share a conversation from ChatGPT using a unique web link. Instead of taking screenshots or copying and pasting long exchanges, you generate one link, and anyone who has it can view the shared chat in their browser. It's designed to make it easy to pass along AI-generated content, ideas, and discussions, so collaboration and information sharing feel effortless. Here's how it works behind the scenes. You choose a specific conversation you want to share, and a shareable URL is created for that chat. The people you send it to can read the exchange without signing into your account or seeing any of your other conversations. What they see is a preserved snapshot of the chat as it existed at the moment you shared it. If you make changes later and want those updates reflected, you can update the shared link. And if you no longer want the chat available, you can remove or disable the link entirely. You stay in control at all times. There are plenty of benefits. Public links are a fast way to distribute research notes, step-by-step tutorials, and AI outputs. They're useful across teamwork, education, and content collaboration because everyone can view the same source material without extra tools. If you're teaching, you can share a worked example. If you're coordinating a project, you can point teammates to a conversation that documents decisions or reasoning. And if you're showcasing what a prompt can do, a public link makes the demonstration easy to access. Privacy is important, so treat public links like any other shareable link. Avoid including sensitive or confidential information before creating one. A helpful habit is to scan the conversation for private details and remove anything you wouldn't want broadly accessible. When the link has served its purpose, you can disable or delete it so it's no longer viewable. Use public link chats when you want to share examples, guides, or project discussions in a clear, self-contained format. They're great for collaborating with colleagues, students, or clients, for demonstrating prompts and the results they produce, and for giving quick access to useful conversations without relying on screenshots. If you need to refine the content, update the link so viewers always see the latest version. And when you're finished, turn the link off to keep your workspace tidy and your information safe. That's the essence of public link chats: simple sharing, preserved context, and control in your hands.